I'm so excited. All right, guys, this is it. So now, I just want to ask you this question. Are you a singer? You guys know I love music. Well, I haven't introduced myself. If you don't know, my name is Beck, but you can call me Beck Superstar. I'm the owner and founder of Beck Vision Studios, where you come and take pictures. You want to shoot a music video, you have a wedding and everything. Yes, I'm the CEO of that business. I do graphic design too. I'm also a photographer, a writer. But we are not here for me, guys. We are here for you. Yes. So are you a singer? Like I was saying, are you a singer? Do you love music, or do you like singing? Are you a musician, or are you an upcoming musician? And also, do you like chatting with new people? Do you like making new friends? If you do, well, don't hesitate to click that link right there, down there. I don't know where I'm going to put the link, but the link is either going to be in the bio or it's going to be down to the description. You understand? It depends where I post this video, but I think I'm going to post it everywhere. So now, this is it. I don't want to waste too much time. If you like to do all those things, why not turn it into a profit? Why not make money out of it? Why just sit down and just go on your phone and play with your phone? You can make profit with your phone. So now, if you click on the link in the bio, it's going to take you to a link. So that link is going to take you to, well, it's a link, but link up with another link. All right, it's going to take you to where you can sign up for BoomPlay. If you're already in BoomPlay and you don't know what to do, join the WhatsApp group. All right, BoomPlay is deeper than you think. We are going to walk you through the process. You can join our numbers of talented hosts making money right on BoomPlay. You understand me? Just as long as you have the passion, you can turn that passion into something. So join the WhatsApp group, and just once you join the WhatsApp group, we are going to send you the link. You join. If you already have BoomPlay, update your BoomPlay and join the WhatsApp group. We are going to show you how to go live, how to broadcast, and how to earn money. And the money you can cash out easily. You can cash out directly to your MTN mobile wallet or your Voda Cash or your bank account. It depends on what the fastest way to get your money. You understand? We need to get our money. We don't need to sit on these apps doing nothing. And also too, if you want to connect with other applications, let me know. I will hook you up. Just join the WhatsApp group. All right, so you want to be a superstar, be a superstar. All right, that's it, guys. Bye. I don't want to waste your time. You know your girl had to work. I have to run now. Take care.